Welcome to today's video, Amazing Ideas to Repurpose Old Sewing Machines. An old sewing machine may look outdated, but with a little imagination, it can be transformed into something truly unique. Instead of letting it gather dust, why not give it a second life? Sewing machines also shine as decorative pieces. Keep the original machine intact, polish it up, and use it as a nostalgic accent in your living room or hallway. You can also transform them into unique storage units. Add drawers or shelves, and suddenly you've got extra space for books, tools, or craft supplies. And if you're into DIY projects, try converting one into a minibar cart or a coffee station. It's practical, stylish, and guaranteed to be a conversation starter. One of the most popular ideas is turning an old sewing machine base into a stylish table. Add a wooden or glass top and you've got a charming desk vanity, or even a dining table with character. Another option is creating a bathroom sink vanity. The sturdy metal frame works beautifully as a base, giving your bathroom a rustic and vintage touch. For plant lovers, repurposed sewing machines make wonderful garden stands. Place pots and greenery on top, and you'll have an eye-catching display full of life. As you can see, an old sewing machine doesn't have to be forgotten. With creativity, it can become a functional piece of furniture or a decorative highlight in your home. Thank you for watching Amazing Ideas to Repurpose Old Sewing Machines. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative upcycling inspiration.